Is that why you've both been so good today? Is that why you're both so? Is that why you were so good this morning?
20 minutes. They were good for 20 minutes now.
Who's gonna have happy birthday cake? Hey? Daddy forgot to buy a candle, silly. Oh, silly Daddy. You need a haircut, mate.
No, he does not.
I think he does.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Daddy, happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray!
Thank you. Thank you, Harley.
Good morning. Happy Monday. Tayo lunchbox ng kiddos. Ben's birthday today. Ayun, mag-tapo ng basura. Si ate is awake. Nalagyan ng tubig ate. Ate is my helper in the morning. Yung dalawa nag-aasaran. Sabi ko, huwag kayong mag-asaran birthday ng daddy niyo. Be good please, because it's daddy's birthday today. Breakfast na Riker.
Ngayon, hindi na-asal.
Pang-asar yan. Sige si Riker, pinakang-asar. Ng banana. Guys, nadot na pala namin si ate and now Ben's just dropping Riker off. And I think we're gonna go to Burnside today because i-shopping ko siya. He said he doesn't need anything, pero sabi ko, yeah, you might need some, might wanna look at some clothes. But, yeah. And then have lunch together. So si ate and Zoe nasa bahay lang today. Baby na to, magalaw siya. I mean, malalaki yung galaw niya ngayon. So sana umiikot na siya head down. Kasi hindi nga siya nakaposition. Ewan ko kung nasabi ko ba na transverse siya, di ba yung bridge yung ulo sa taas, tas paa sa baba. Siya naman, yung ulo niya nandito sa right side ko. Ay, sorry, left side, and then yung paa niya nandito sa left.
No, my water bottle.
It's in the car. It's his bag.
Oh, okay.
Did he find it out?
I don't know.
Did he put his stuff away?
Is this on? Yeah.
Ayan, dito na kami sa Burnside guys. Kapit tayo. The birthday boy already did some shopping. Dito kami sa may food court nila.
Still leave.
Ayan yung brunch niya. Ang sarap. Patatas pala yung ilalim ng eggs ben, no?
It's an interesting base.
Oh my God. Ito yung akin. French toast guys. Ano siya? Tiramisu. Hati kami ni Benton. Hindi mauubos yan. Ayan, bahay na pala kami guys. Kanina pa, nasundo na namin ang kiddos. Ayan si ate, nagme-merienda. Nakaligo niya lang. Hindi yan papasok bukas kasi meron pa nga siyang she's not 100% daw, sabi ng teacher niya. Hey, she was just relaxing today. Good morning! Diba? Nasa labas na naman kami ni sir. But, sorry, putol-putol yung vlog natin today. This week kasi kahapon birthday niya and nag-vlog sana ako kaso we just had our day together and just a little bit of shopping and relaxing. And ngayon I have my midwife appointment.
Do you want to stop
sama siya.
at a cafe in Kent Town and get a coffee or something to eat?
I think there's a cafe there. Remember we went a cafe on this
Inside.
where?
Women's and Children's.
Oh, I don't know. There's a cafe there? Yeah, so, may midwife appointment ako mamaya. We dropped Riker off already. Si ate hindi nga pumasok today kasi matamlay pa rin siya. Kahapon sabi ng teacher niya. So, sabi ko yan, hindi ko na siya papasukin today. And, pero wala naman siya. Sipon lang naman. Wala naman siyang lagnat or anything. One day lang yung lagnat niya. Yan, nag-shopping lang kami kahapon. Parang 3 shops yung napuntahan namin. Burnside kami nung una, di ba? And then nag-Harbor Town kami. And then Big W kami kasi I needed to buy some stuff for the house and baby. And ngayon din wrap naman muna namin yung vacuum ko nga na Dyson. Kaya din ako bumili nga kasi ng Robo Vacuum. Kasi sira na yung, may saltik na yung aking Dyson. So yun, dinrap namin sa service center. We'll see kung magkano yung i-charge nila yan pag repair. So yeah, because I still need it for the stairs, no? We still need that because obviously Robo Vacuum can't clean. Kasi carpeted yung stairs namin.
The car.
And the car, yeah.
Make one of
School holiday na nga yan this week. Matatapos yan ng Friday. So sana lumabas na yung visa ni Penelope this week, by the end of this week. Kasi 2 weeks na yan by Friday. So yeah, hopefully we'll receive that so we can buy the tickets. Kasi July na manganak na ako. 5 more weeks to go. But hopefully we'll see what they say today. Kasi nga, transverse nga si baby, nakahiga siyang ganyan. We'll see kung anong position niya ngayon kasi hipuin nila yan kung nasa na yung kanya. Pero feeling ko ganun pa rin siya kasi yung mga galaw niya same pa din. So let's see what the midwife's gonna say. I don't really wanna do C-section, guys. Makulimlim this week. Maulan na naman. Ayan, dito na kami sa hospital, guys. Dito lang kami sa cafe muna kasi maaga pa kami gutom si Sir. Makapagkain sila dyan. Ayan, dito na pala kami ni Ben sa mall, guys. We're gonna have lunch together. So, ayan. Club sandwich yung akin. Breakfast yung kanya. Akin tong hash brown. Diba? Gutom yarn. Yeah, kagabi pala nagluto ako ng chicken curry. So, may ulam pa yun sila sa bahay. Pero uwi na kami after nito. So, kain tayo, guys. And good news pala, oh my God, si baby naka-position na. Very good. Good boy. Listen to daddy, because daddy's been talking to him. Na, pumusisyon ka na. Mag-head down ka na. So, naka-head down na siya, thank God. So, go pa rin tayo sa normal delivery. Okay. So, dahil low risk naman yung pregnancy ko nga, and very straightforward, yung next appointment ko na is kapag 38 weeks na. Siguro kasi hindi rin ako nakapasok doon sa midwifery group. Yung iisa lang yung midwife mo kada visit. So, ito kasi iba-iba yung midwife ko. Kung sino lang yung available. So, yeah, next appointment is malapit na akong mga anak. So, hopefully talaga, ma-approve na si Penelope by the end of this week para mabook ko na yung ticket nila. Kasi ngayon yung tinitingnan kong ticket is July 13. So, yeah, hopefully. Dumaradyo kami dito sa mall kasi kailangan kong bumili ng iron tablets. Because low ang aking iron. Kailangan ko daw mag-vitamin. Bahay na pala kami, guys. So, i-on natin to ng rapid lang para mahugasan muna siya. And then, saka tayo maghugas ng mga bote. Ano to? Ba't naka-on yung storage? Oh, pwede mo pala siya. Yung steam. Day. So, and then, dito ko na lang siya din rain. Para hindi ko na siya tabi ng sink, no? But yeah, hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng sabon. So, ito yung sabon niya nga para sa mga bote. So, I got free 60 tablets. And dito ko nilagay yung ating mga bote. Ayan. Oh, ganyan pala siya. Para siyang fountain. Ayan. Winash ko na rin pala to and nilagyan ko rin siya ng Milton. Pero again, we'll put it in here. So, muna inuna ko, of course, yung newborn niyang bottle and itong dalawang storage for breast milk. So, yan. And then, itong parts ng ating breast pump. So, ito, maganda to siya kasi saktong-sakto yung 2.5 kasi itong tubig dito. So, ito, mga 3 liters siguro to. So, that's good. Saktong-sakto lang yung tubig na dinidrain niya dyan. Actually, ito ating breast pump.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Ayan, then we'll put 1 tablet of this detergent. Ganyan, puno-puno ba siya? Pero hindi ko naman siya ihasapak ng ganyan kapag unang saltala kasi na-wash na rin naman na yung mga yan. So, kailangan ko lang siyang i-steam really.
Stay here forever. 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 Forever.
So, ngayon, nilagay ko siya on normal kasi yung rapid niya is 19. And then normal is 29. And then I put steam. Hindi ko nilalagay yung storage kasi to storage here. Ayan, dinner na tayo. Steak ang ating ulam. You guys, very good pala itong ating robo-vacuum. Nagmamap na siya. Diba? And pakita ko sa inyo yung nilinis niya dito sa playroom. So good. Pinabakim ko sa kanya kanina yung playroom. And look at that. Diba? Ang linis. Ay. Oh, ha? Nasa bed na pala yung kids. Ako, magsha-shower pa ako niya. Alas 7. Ano oras na ba? Mag-alas 8 na pala. And then, ayan, na-wash ko na rin pala tong aking bottle warmer from Mom Cozy. So, charge ko lang siya ngayon. And, patapos na rin tong ating, second load ng ating mga bottles. Ito yung malalaki na. So, ayan o, diba? Kasyang-kasya lang yung tubig. So, natapos yun na. Naubos nyo na yun dyan. So, yan na yun lahat. So, bali steam na lang yung ginagawa nito. Wash ko na rin to. Ito naman yung cooler ng Mom Cozy. So, yung ice pack neto is nandun na sa freezer. And, ayan, nandito na yung ating mga bote and mga dummies ni baby. Alam niyo, hindi ko pala nabili is dummy holder. Bali, ito yung mga, ipapak ko lang mainly kasi yung itong storage ng breast milk. Kasi magpapump na ako, diba? So, and then ito, dadalhin ko to. And then, of course, yung ating pump. Pero yung bote, hindi po na akong matadala. Itong storage. Good morning! Maulan na umaga, you guys. Mag-alas 10 pa lang. And yung, sabi ko sa mga bata, si Harley hindi na lang pumasok. She's all good now, but maulan kasi grabe yung makulog pa kanina. Ayun.
Mommy.
And Riker, wala namang pasok yun. Dapat nga meron din kaming school tour ni Ben kaso hindi na kami nag-attend kasi maulan. Nandito siya, so he's working from home. And hindi ko na lang din pinapasok na kasi may dentist sila mamaya. So, mag-half day lang din siya. So, bukas na lang siya pasok. 2 days na lang yung pasok niya kasi next week wala na nga. Holiday na naman. Look at the rain, you guys. Parang hindi alas 10. Ayan pala si vacuum ko. Inakyat ni Zoe sa taas para mag-start siya maglinis sa taas. Pero ngayon, chinecheck niya muna yung mga rooms. Hapon na pala and mag-bake tayo ng merienda. Nag-uwi si Ben ng Subway cookies eh. So, i-bake natin yan. May raspberry cheesecake, macadamia, and M&M's. After 10. Ayan, dito na pala kami sa dentist, guys. We're just waiting. Okay. No.
So we've got 1655054, 5352, 11 and 21,
Good job, Holly.
6263, 64 and 65 have those stones to come, and 26. Good girl. Well done. We'll have a look at those bottom ones. I know that's very bright. You're
She's
doing
happy
a
there.
great job.
Mommy.
We've got
Your
3,
turn
6,
next.
7, 5. Look nice and warm in your fuzzy jumper.
I know.
So what are you guys up to for the rest of the day?
Just pick up the grocery and go back home.
Go back home, yeah. Get back in the warm.
Yes. Good job, Riker.
And you went to the Philippines?
Good job, buddy.
Can I have an Explorer for Michael, please?
Well done, Baba.
Here we go, photo. Give him a thumbs up. Is Riker a good eater? Is he fussy at all or not really?
A plain eater.
Plain?
Yeah, very plain.
Very good.